Hi, this is DIY Manual, and today I would like to show you how this little vacuum for above ground pool works. So this vacuum is all you need if you have a small Intex pool, above ground pool, or Bestway, Coleman. If the pump that comes with your pool is less than 1,500 gallon per hour, then you will not be able to use the more expensive vacuum. So this is the only vacuum that will work for your pool. This does not require to work with your pump. This is actually going to use a jet stream using a garden hose. So let me show you how this actually works. Let me take this out. If you can see here, there's like little holes right here pointing up. So when you put in your garden hose and turn on your water, the water actually shoots up from here, and when it does that, it creates a vacuum action at the bottom. So let me install a hose here and let me show you how it works. The water, and what you'll see is that there's gonna be like a jet action here. The water's gonna be coming out of here, and if you put this underwater, it's going to create a suction at the bottom of this filter. So let me turn the water on. And this is actually good for small pool because this actually create two purposes. One is it will allow you to vacuum your pool, and at the same time it will let you refill the lost water that you have in your pool. So as you're vacuuming, you're actually adding more water into your pool. Assemble this. So I'll put this catch cloth right here. By the way, I got this last year from eBay for about $24, and it comes with the vacuum, the skimmer, and it also comes with this pole that I can use for the skimmer or for the vacuum. So I'm gonna put that right now into the vacuum, and I'll show you the vacuum in action. Let's go to the pool. Okay, so let me turn this on. Okay, and see those dirt right there? I'm gonna put this thing just right here. Let's see if you can see it. And if you have some floating, you can just go like this and get it. Okay, see that fly right there? Let me just go like this. It's gone. It's been picked up. There's another spider right here. It's gone. So you can see right now my pool is actually about 3 inches lower from the top. What I'll do is I'll vacuum this pool until I get to that water level. Okay, to show you how strong the suction is from under the water, I want you to focus on that toy. This is that's pretty heavy. It's a solid rubber. So let me show you that it will get sucked. See that? Can actually pick it up. Do that again. Let me pick it up. Oops. Go like this. If it can pick that thing up, it can pick up all the leaves and dust that you have in your pool. As you can see now, the floor has been vacuumed, and at the same time the pool water has been refilled. So earlier I have about 3 or 4 blocks showing. Now I'm almost to the top. Let me show you what it picked up. So you have the Ladybug, and you have all this other stuff right there. Okay, so let me put the Ladybug back into the garden. So just empty the cloth and let it dry.